First of all, we must know whom we are. Are we this body which is born, baby grows, becomes a youth, again becomes middle age, old age, die. Is it what we are? Most of us think we are the body. I am the body. But only our scriptures say you are not. There are two things here. As all scriptures say, one is the Deha. Deha, everybody understand? Deha means body. One more concept, Dehi. Dehi means who resides in the Deha. I think nobody has heard about this aspect of Dehi. So in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says about this aspect of Dehi. Deha and Dehi. Here is a room, this room. I live in this room. So this room is called Deha. I is the Dehi. Different. Very interesting. Deha and Dehi. I can live in this room or go next to some other room, or I can go to some other apartment. Anywhere I can stay. I am different from this room. So Krishna again he says, Vasam chijirnani yatha vihaya navani grunnati naroparani tata sharirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi. Beautifully he says, I am wearing a shirt. I made a shirt? No. I am different, shirt is different, I am different. Suppose the shirt is worn out. Will I weep and wail? Oh, my shirt has gone. There is no shirt. Better shirt. So like that, I am the body, not the shirt. See the concept. Dehi nityam avadyoyam dehe sarvasya bharata. This Dehi who resides is eternal. There is no birth, no death. That is Sat Chitan Ananda. It's a wonderful truth is this. Sat always exists. Chit is full of consciousness, awareness. I am there. Ananda, blissful in nature. We are all that nature, Satchit Ananda. Blissful, that is our nature. I take this shirt, my freedom, throw away the shirt, take another one, better one. So somehow we are wrong identified with this shirt. That's why we are like this. We think we born, we die, we become old. Is the truth. Most of the people are confined to the idea, I am the body. You are not. Scriptures again and again say. So this concept of Dehi, so there is, suppose you see a ocean and millions of waves in the ocean. So these millions of waves are like one wave is you, another wave is he, another wave is his. Each one is a wave. That ocean is called God. That's how God and we are connected. The sum total of all the beings, not only human beings, all the living beings, whatever exists, all God's manifestations. God that has manifested all these living beings. This is that is the truth. So somehow or other we have forgotten the fact that we belong to God. As wave belongs to the ocean. Take the sun, Surya Devata. Billions of rays come out from the sun. Each ray is one individual. The brilliant sun is the God. This is our Sanatana Dharma. Must realize this truth. When you say word God, don't get confused about it. It is infinite energy, eternally present. So God is called by various names. God is with form, without form, and beyond all that. Only that one exists. Called by so many names, so many forms. Called as Shiva, Durga, Narayana, Krishna, Rama, Kali, all aspects, Bhavani. Ekam Sat Vipra Bahuda Vadanti. Ekam Sat. This is to be realized. So how to realize this truth? Method of sadhana. So Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna clearly says us, this Kali Yuga, people are short-lived. Other yugas they live for many thousands of years. This Kali Yuga, 100 years maximum. Many die for 40, 50, 60 like that. A short span of life, have to realize God. So sadhana is simplified. He says, just take the name of God. Say, Kalau Nama Sankirtanat. This Kali Yuga, we chanting the name of God. You will realize your true nature. I am not the Deha, I am the Dehi. Deha dies, Dehi never dies. That is the divine. That's why we say divine by nature. So when we realize we are Dehi, it is blissful in nature. We enjoy the bliss. So just by chanting the name of God, you may think how it is possible. That's why he says, have faith. Shraddha. See, galaxy of saints. Take any saint, Tulsidas, Kabir Das, Ram Das, any saint. What they did practice Nama Sankirtana. Chant the name of God. So God is the personification of purity. Chant the name of God, the mind gets purified. When the mind becomes purified, it reflects God. It's as simple as that. There's so many Raja Yoga is there, so Gnana Yoga is there. Many paths are there to reach him. So simplest path is bhakti, devotion. Again, Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna says, chant the name of God, sufficient. So it leads you. Always he says, we and God are eternally related to each other. I told you, ocean and the wave. Eternally we are related to him. Only you have forgotten that somehow or other by the power of Maya, they say. So the power of Maya, this concept of Maya is brought out here. It is also divine power. So it dilutes people. Dilute them. Bhrantula padestha. It makes you forget your true nature. So reality, we are that Dehi. Yesterday you attended meditation class. How was it? What is taught there? So you have an idea of that joy is within us. So that meditation is a technique. If we can meditate properly, the source of all joy, we can experience it. Because you are that only. When you realize that you are not Deha but Dehi, the problem is solved. So all the scriptures tell only this truth to us. Chant the name of God. So I advise every one of you, there is the gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. In Telugu, Ramakrishna Kathamrutam. How many people have? I don't know how many people are having in this with you. So purchase that book and read. That one book is sufficient for you. Essence of all scriptures are there in that. The Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. In Telugu, Ramakrishna Kathamrutam. Read only 4 or 5 pages per day. Close the book and recollect what you have read. It's another technique. We simply read and put it out. Not sufficient. Just 5 pages, 6 pages, close the book and recollect. Then you will see nothing comes to your brain. Reading once, again read, again read. So 10 times when you read, then you will grasp the essence of 5 pages. Every page, every other page, he says this fact. What is the universe? It's nothing but God's manifestation. Again, Bhagavan says there. That one book, essence of all scriptures. Read that to understand. Goal of human life. What are we? What is God? How they are related to each other. Beautifully brings out the concept. So don't go to any Upanishads, all this difficult to understand. This is words of God. Simple language he has put, anybody can understand it. If you read Gita, read a commentator. What is Sanskrit sloka? Many won't understand Sanskrit slokas. But he has told such a language, simple language. Just read. So you will easily understand. So we will sing a small Namavali and go for meditation. Govinda Gopala He Nandalala Govinda Gopala He Nandalala Radhe Gopala Gopi Gopala Radhe Gopala Gopi Gopala Nanda Yashoda Kanda Venu Gopala Nanda Yashoda Kanda Venu Gopala Kaliya Nartana Shri Vrajabala Kaliya Nartana Shri Vrajabala Radhe Gopala Gopi Gopala मीरा के नाथ प्रभु मुरली गोपाल मीरा के नाथ प्रभु मुरली गोपाल गोवर्धनोद्धार गोपाल बाला गोवर्धनोद्धार गोपाल बाला राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल राधे गोपाल गोपी गोपाल